What's good, everybody? Today is a different video. I usually don't film outside the studio that much, but I'm out in San Francisco. It's my first time in California. It's a beautiful day out, so figure why not share the sunshine and take you along with me. Let's go.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Alrighty. It's funny because like it's just a tree, but for us, just not seeing snow, it's like, oh wow, a cloud. Oh, blue sky, it's the sun. Yeah. It's cold. Look at this incline.
It's right there, right?
Yeah, they are. Let's go. People probably live there, right? What I want to do is like
It's gonna be a lot of walking, like hiking through the city. It's gonna be fun though. Wow. All right, I think that's the spot.
That looks.
Wow, that actually looks nice.
Oh.
Cheers.
Record Monterey Festival. We're just starting. I'm so excited.
Just starting row one. It's a little bit too big for me though. You know, it's really funny.
What?
I was just kind of looking around, trying to find you, and then I just see a head bopping like this to the music, and I knew it was you. I knew right away.
Yeah, does it?
No.
Because it has enough going on.
It has a lot going on. It's a good fit. There's like a little bit of a
I know.
right there, but otherwise, like, it actually goes with your fit right now.
I know.
$5.
The office, you know? This one.
You know, I usually gravitate to the suits. I didn't even see this, but
whoa.
I would love to get like a double-breasted blazer. I don't know what color, but okay, okay.
Huh? This, right? And then you tie it like that.
Okay, I feel like the shirt's kind of fire, and one of the buttons is broken in half. So that's kind of a bummer. Collar's dope. The white stitching on the navy fabric is really nice detail. Oh, I think I'll get it. It kind of goes with the yellow shoes too. Exciting, but it fits on the shoulders and sleeves. Huh. Yeah, I found that in the suit, like where the blazers are, which it's not even like part of suits, but it's only $10. I don't think we intentionally bought clothes to be warm now, but we bought clothes and just put them on. Like
I feel like
took turns holding them back so we could put them on. And like both of the things we chose also fit us, like fit the fits right now. Yeah, like workwear. There are probably some cool hats. Shop number 3. Yeah. At first I was like kind of not liking the grid, but then you pull it out and you see the called.
This is very you.
The stitching.
I thought you love like
Contrast stitching.
contrast.
Yeah. Can you tell? Can you just level it? Yeah. I'm actually liking the grid now. At first I didn't think I like it, but I actually think I like it now. Damn. I hate spending money though. I actually hate spending money. Buffalo Exchange. Wow.
That's a throwback.
Right? Did I get it?
No.
What? What? Why so dramatic?
Why are you considering?
Why wouldn't I? These are so fun.
You would wear them?
Would I wear them?
Just do whatever you want, you know?
All right, where's the checkout? Where's the cashier? It's the best time to be out.
Golden hour?
Yeah. So today might be a little bit more of a film photography day than thrifting. I mean, we're definitely not thrifting, so it'll be a picture day. Let's see what San Fran has off today. Hey Mac, look how green you are. Hold on 1 second. That's funny. It tastes as good as it looks. That's delicious. All right. Just gonna wait for the right car. Pass by. Oh, bikes. Yep. What do you think about this?
Oh, that's nice.
Yeah.
I just pulled out.
Oh, cool. Actually, I like that one too.
Yeah.
I like the zips.
This is beautiful. 1970s. Ooh, I feel like I'm gonna like this.
You think so?
Yeah. Oh. This man's looking straight from the 1970s. I love that. Love that. Yeah, the other one looks a lot. That one still looks nice on you, but
It's a good fit still.
yeah.
It just doesn't.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. Oh. Yeah, the front looks great.
Yeah. It's funny because I thought all the thrifting was yesterday. Thought I would just do photos.
Yeah.
And then we went thrifting. Ready to go?
Yeah.
Me too.
Almost.
Oh, my back. It's funny because like the sunny days, we were cold, and now the overcast day, we're actually hot. There's more sun for an overcast day than I expected.
More hiking, it feels.
You okay? What are you saying?
We're rolling.
Rolling, glasses off. Shot one. This is a fun one. I said this is a fun one because you got the city, like the hill, and then just between the buildings, we got all right. Get one vertical as well. Just wait for the right person to cross. Scooter. Nice. Oh, I missed it. There's a pigeon flying I could have caught. There. Not the same pigeon. There's one pigeon that just flew in front of the. Oh, what am I doing? Come on. You break, you buy. I break, I cry. Very cool.
And he's so funny because he's like 3 football season. He's like,
Yeah.
I'm not quite sure how long.
Spot.
Get a my shoe and a beer for $15.
You're okay to be in it? Okay, ready? Big smile.
Big smile.
Big smile.
Nice day, I say like that better.
Yeah.
Everything.
Oh, I like that. Thank you.
Thanks, Mama.
Everything I told him. I don't want to be that good. Hey, somebody buy me drink, I never say no. Somebody buy me
Shout out to Mama.
Shout out, Mama.
More delicious.
More
All right.
delicious.
Thank you. Yeah.
The left side, Frugal Street.
Thank you. $22 for a 5-minute ride. Well.
That's so cute, though.
Very scary.
That's actually very scary.
You want me to get some change?
I kind of do. I kind of want to play a game or two.
Beautiful when lit. Haha.
That's it.
Guess so.
Not too much, but it's nice. I know they mean it. Okay, I want to have Grandma tell my fortune. Read my future, Grandma.
What if I want to go hard though? I'm going lightweight. Alright, we'll go heavyweight, max. Ready? Could easily spend $100 here.
You can't touch it?
I think that's the whole point, Elisa. Well, I just kind of tapped it there, but yeah, I kind of tapped it.
Why do I feel like it's gonna shock me?
Oh, it starts on this side.
Oh.
Oh. Okay. Yeah?
Yeah, but don't
Wait, I have money. I
feel
have money.
bad.
I have money. I have
No,
money.
no, I work here.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, believe me, you might want to do it more than once. You'll see what I
Do I get shocked though?
No, no.
Okay.
No, we haven't been allowed to do that since they invented Facebook.
Oh,
So,
scared me. Yeah.
see our other one?
There's another one?
Yeah. Actually, after a number of years, I had a young lady who finished it recently.
Oh, really?
She got like 3/4 of the way, and she goes, and she was mad. And I said, "Hey, that's really good." And a minute later, she goes back and goes, "I beat it." You know, I'm like,
Wow.
All right, you got this.
One hand? Two hands?
Whatever's good, man. It's impossible to do whatever you have to do.
Wait, that's like I would under like a sushi design. Exactly. They're all relevant skills for sure.
I think two hands might be cheating.
So here, you guys, follow me. I'll show you the French.
Oh, are you kidding me?
Holy it was literally like right here.
I know. You got that on camera?
Yeah.
No, but I was like, yo, this guy's leaving. I was gonna show him how I beat it, and then. Fire me up. All right.
Take your time. Did you even get a prize or anything?
There.
You did it.
I would have been here all night. What do I do now? Oh, I'll go back. I'll go back. I'm a lefty. Can you see how fast that was?
Yeah, that was.
It's called I'm a lefty.
I'm usually way better at this, I swear.
Ready? Nah, that's weak.
happy with that?
No. Almost. I haven't been in one in a really long time. So we got some seals. Picture time.
Total voices over.
Oh, jump in the water. Jump in the water. More shots. We're on shot 36 now. And I think that is the Golden Gate Bridge. And that'll sum up this video.